Hey, this priority package came in earlier, and I ordered just a T-Bird, and it feels heavier than just a T-Bird. So unless they got a bunch of extra packing material, let's find out what's in there, guys. It's like a storage or a pit case or something. I'm hoping that the T-Bird's inside of it. I mean, it's packed really well. The shipping or the bubble wrap is completely around it. Let's see what else we can get into here. Looks like more than a T-Bird to me, guys. Just opened the case up and everything looks like it has like some paper towels around it. So let's get into it. Wow, guys, unreal. Look what I got here. I got the T-Bird I wanted, but there's just a plethora of other stuff in here. What do we got here? We got some vials with, it looks like the hubs and tires and a couple, like an engine or something. There's what is that? That is a charger. It looks like a charger, and it's made out of Lexan. That's what it looks like to me. Then there's part of a Lincoln and another Lincoln part there. And there's like a back weight of some type in between the Thunderbird and the Lincoln there. What is that? Is that a Cobra with the, I don't know what that is off the top of my head. It looks like a Ford. And there's some bits that say Aurora here, some plastic parts say Aurora. I'm not sure what that is. And we have a chassis. Very thankful for the chassis. Don't know if that runs. Looks like it's complete from here. I'll have to turn it over and look at it better. But boy, I just expected to get the T-Bird here. I thought I could make that thing look a little bit better for us, and all this extra stuff came. Wow, very good. All right, we got the T-Bird here. I'm looking forward to this project. Looks like it needs a windshield, the driver. The screw posts are intact. Screw posts are good. The wheel wells are good all the way around. So the chrome, probably a little bit more play wear than I'd like to see on it. I don't know if I'm going to replace it, but at least the windshield driver and get the decals off first. All right, let's do this. Let's just go ahead and get the decals off first. Well, I tell you what, we just increased the value there. Look at that, decals off, decals off. Scrounge up a windshield. We need to drill the holes out for the windshield to fit properly. I've got my drill here. I'm going to do it by hand, and we still need to. I got to get a guy, the driver, and the chassis that was sent with it. I just put it on the transformer, and it sparked. It sparked. The wheels turned a little bit. Didn't know if it was backwards or forwards, but it tells me we have everything there. We need to have a running chassis. So I'll clean that up. I'll put the right rims and everything on there and make it, make it look like it should here. But that's where we're at right now. I'm going to go ahead and get those holes cleaned out for that windshield. Look at that, huh? Holes are good and clean. From the underside, I put just a little bit of pressure with the drill, and they started wiggling and popping out. So I didn't have to drill them out. They literally just popped out. Let's go and see if that windshield snaps in place. Oh boy, we're looking better now. We are looking better now. Just with that windshield on, you know what? And for how many years, who knows, how many years was that bugger broke off, no head, no windshield? We're getting it. We are definitely getting it, guys. All right, I think I'm going to tackle the chassis here. Since I got it, that'll be next. I'll start stripping that down, see if we can get that bugger cleaned up. All right, just getting the chassis going and everything, and I was looking at the back wheels there and the hubs. They had a shorter axle in the back there. Just put some new hubs back there. But I remember being a kid, if that's what you had the short axle, that's what you used, man. That's what you used. So I get it. I totally get it. So that's coming along. Got the brushes clean. The bottom of the armature, that's clean. Bottom of the chassis, everything's clean. I found two bodies. I don't know if I'm going to use the tan one, kind of like that. Got the off-white one. Going to use that. Got a head. Don't know. Let me go ahead and finish the chassis. Then we'll put it back together to see if a drop of oil might help this thing run better. Just got to put it back together, got it oiled up, and attach it to the transformer, and it runs quite well. Got to get on the track here in just a bit. I'm still deciding between the tan body and the off-white body. Don't know which one's going to look better. Let's swap them out. Let's see which one looks better. Well, the tan doesn't look too bad, does it? Tan does not look too bad. I got to shorten the post on the head there, the neck part. Then the head will fit better. But the tan really doesn't look too bad. Let me swap it out for the white one. Well, what do you think? I think that white pops a little bit better. I really do. It kind of stands out a little bit better. Nothing against the tan one. I just think as far as this color scheme, that white, it really jumps out at me. I'm going to leave the original chrome on for right now. See how I like it going around the track. If I want to swap the chrome out, I will. But let me do this. I'm going to go ahead and shorten the neck post and make that fit better and get it glued up. Wow, what do you think, guys? I love the Slate. Look at that. Doesn't that look absolutely wonderful? It's time to put that chassis and the body together. What do you think, huh? Wow, look at the Slate. You know what? Doesn't that Slate look good? The body on the chassis just absolutely looks wonderful. I love restoring them back to this condition. Let's see if we can get this bugger to go around the track here. All right, see what we can. Oh yeah, boy, nice. Look at that. Look at that. Is that smooth? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Boy, I love that. I love that. That looks so good. That looks so good like that. Man, guys, I hope you enjoyed the project. Easy, fun project. Just getting the decals off, windshield, adding the guide to it. I still might swap out the bumpers. We'll see, though. I'm going to race it like this for a little bit. And special thanks to the gentleman who sent me this. He sent me some extra things there. So really got a good deal. You'll find those on eBay. Certainly do appreciate it. All right, guys. See you in the next video.